Okay, you can put that on. The zip goes in the front. You can leave that on. Are those glasses prescription? Okay, then I'll have some bigger glasses that you can put over there. And look whether you can fit these with your shoes.
Just like that. Boom. Nothing to it.
That's how easy it is. Easy.